Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss on how to solve rational equations. So there are steps in order to solve for the rational equation. First, you need to eliminate the rational expression in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. Then number 2, you need to solve the equation. So based on the given problem, rational 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 3 equals 12 over x squared minus 1. Anong dapat natin unahin para masolve nitong equation na to? So first, you need to write the denominator in a factored form. So denominator yan sa baba. Write that in a factored form. So what is the factored form in that given equation? Denominator natin, tingnan natin. X plus 1, it is already factored. How about this one? X squared minus 1. Hanapin natin yung factor nya. So what are the two numbers that if you multiply, the result is negative 1, and if you add the two numbers, the result is 0. Okay, very good. That is x plus 1 and x minus 1. So that is the factor of x squared minus 1. Kasi if you multiply negative 1 and positive 1, the result is negative 1. Then if you add the two numbers, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So the factor of x squared minus 1 is x plus 1 times x minus 1. Then sulat natin 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 3 equals 12 over the factor of x squared minus 1, that is x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, next steps in order to solve for the rational equation. You need to eliminate the rational expression in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. So ano yung LCD natin? To find the LCD, kung anong nandyan sa denominator, that is your LCD. Okay, ano yung LCD natin, or ano yung value ng denominator natin? That is x plus 1, and x minus 1. So in order to find the LCD, lahat yan, that is your LCD. So ano yung LCD natin? That is x plus 1 times x minus 1. Multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. X plus 1, x minus 1. Diba? Yan. Nandito yan sa denominator. Kung ano yung nasa denominator, that is your LCD. Okay, next, simplify. X plus 1 times x minus 1. Pag i-divide natin yan dito, x plus 1, ano yung remaining value? Okay, very good. Ang x plus 1 and x plus 1, ma-eliminate yan. So the remaining value is x minus 1. So that is x minus 1. I-times mo yan sa numerator. So numerator is 4x plus 1. Next, understood na dito may positive 1. So kopyahin muna na ito ng negative 3. Pwede lang itong mauna. 4x plus 1, pwede rin itong mauna. Next, kopyahin natin negative 3. X plus 1 times x minus 1 divide 1. Okay, automatically, kung any number divide to 1, the answer is the number itself. So x plus 1 times x minus 1. Next, equals x plus 1 times x minus 1. I-divide mo yan dito sa denominator. Automatically, the result is 1, or ma-eliminate na yan. So the remaining value is 12. Next, we need to simplify our answer. This one, we will use FOIL method. So x times 4x. Okay, very good. That is 4 x squared. Next, x times 1, okay, that is positive x. This one, negative 1 times 4x, negative 4x. The negative 1 times positive 1, that is negative 1. Okay, next, subtract 3 times, distribute natin ulit ito using FOIL method, multiply. X times x, okay, that is x squared. Then x times negative 1, negative x. Then 1 times x, that is positive x. Then positive 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1, equals 12. Next, just copy the first equation for x squared plus or combine like terms, x minus 4x, okay, that is negative 3x minus 1. Then this one, distribute, so negative 3 times x squared, that is negative 3x squared. Then ito, negative x plus x, ma-eliminate yan, eliminate. So remaining value is negative 3 times negative 1. Negative times negative, that is positive 3, equals 12. Or distribute natin or i-transpose positive 12 to the right side or left side or other side. So magiging negative 12 equals 0. If you transfer positive to other side, magiging negative yan. Pag negative ang 12 dito, pag i-transfer mo yan, magiging positive 12. Then, combine like terms. 4x squared minus 3x squared. Okay, 4 minus 3, that is 1, or that is x squared. Next, negative 3x, walang like terms, so just copy negative 3x. Next, negative 1 plus 3, that is positive 2, minus 12, that is negative 10, equals 0. Ito, like terms. Okay, like terms yan. Negative 1 plus 3 minus 12, that is negative 10. Next, what are the values of x? Ito, quadratic equation ito. How to find the value of x? So to find the value of x, tingnan natin ang equation natin, that is quadratic equation. How to find the value of a quadratic equation? You can use quadratic formula, or you need to find the factor of this equation. So, tingnan natin. Negative 10. Negative 10. What are the two numbers that if you multiply, the result is negative 10? Okay, that is negative 5 times 2, negative 2 times 5, negative 10 times 1, and yan ang factor natin niya. Then if that, what are the two numbers that if you multiply, the result is negative 10, and if you add the two numbers, the result is negative 3? Tingnan natin dito. Negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2, that is negative 3. This one, negative 2 plus 5, that is positive 3. This one, pag i-add natin, that is negative 9. So what are the two numbers that if you multiply, the result is negative 10, and if you add the two numbers, the result is negative 3? Okay, very good. That is negative 5 and positive 2. So the factor is x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals to 0. Then equate lang natin yan sa 0, yung factor natin, to find the value of x. So that is x minus 5 equals to 0, and x plus 2 equals to 0. Then transpose x equals negative 5. If we transpose, that is positive 5. That is the first value of x. And this one, x equals, since positive 2, pag transpose natin yan sa kabila, magiging negative 2. So the solutions are, solutions are negative 2 and positive 5. That is the value of x, negative 2 and positive 5. Try to check, just distribute the negative 2 and positive 5 to the equation if tama yung sagot. Okay, that's all. Good evening.